And yeah, like, I'm introverted, but when I'm with people, I kind of overcompensate. So I figure, if I'm gonna be a fucking introvert that talks too much, may as well start recording it and entertaining the fuck out of you guys. Because otherwise I'm just a guy fucking talking all the fucking time. So I may as well do something useful with it, you know? Down this way is the Collet Bridge that we rode across earlier. If you guys have ever been out this way, you can swim there, and it's really fucking nice, man. Like, kids fucking go canoeing here and fishing. Some people camp here. I probably wouldn't camp out here. The ground's not the best, it's all stone. But you know, there's rope swings and shit. Look, everyone's fucking out today. It's hella hot. It's like 30 degrees today. The fuck's that kid on? We're not doing skids while we're fucking moving, mate. Oh, you're going fucking 40 kilometers an hour over a bridge? Hey, fucking do a skid, cunt. Kids are weird, man. It's like you ever be on the buses? I don't know if you guys do this. When we were on the buses, kids, we'd see trucks, and we'd get them to do the toot-toot thing. Most trucks don't fucking have that. So the guys would be like, what? Pulling. It don't make sense, man, you know? Yeah, if any of you guys are out near southeast Queensland, we'll be doing some cruises soon. We'll make a Facebook page for the Ironclad team. You guys can come out and do a couple of rides with us. We'll have some fun. This house here, I've seen it with so many owners. It's always like a crack den though, or like commission housing. I've never seen it in a good place, man. Ow, fucking bug man. I don't know why, bro, but anytime I get hit by a bug, it feels like a bullet. Ah, that's an exaggeration. It's just like, yeah, it gives you a nice little flick. It's like someone flicking you in the fucking skin. Like, real good. You guys ever get hit by a beetle? Shit fucking hurts, man. But yeah, we're coming up to Christmas now, guys. Pretty sure it's the 21st today. That's just crazy, man. I can't believe we're that close to Christmas. I didn't even fucking realize. I've been working so much, and I love my job, man. But like, each week's just another week, you know? Wake up, go to work, do the thing, come home. This whole year's kind of been like that though. I don't know, man. It'll all fix itself up. I don't think 2021 is going to be any better. I think people are going to be complaining still, but you know, I think we'll be okay. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go get some fucking food, go and relax. About time to play some games for the rest of the day. Get my grind on. You guys take care this Christmas, okay? If you're riding on two wheels, you make sure you take care of yourself, alright? You watch out for your brothers. You play it safe. And we'll see you in the next one.